Hey everyone, what's up? Happy 2024. Even though I know this is like we're in February now. What's today? Today's like today's the 17th. Today's the 18th of February. It's a Sunday. But yeah, I just want to say welcome to the new year. I miss you guys. I miss doing videos. Yeah. So today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to talk about the channel, new changes to the channel and whatnot, and talk about last year and how everything went. So starting off, let's talk about last year. I didn't do a whole lot of sewing last year. I don't know why. A lot of my sojo just left me, but I did do one video. Or I sold some things, but I didn't have a sewing tutorial for them. So they're there, but there's no tutorial. And then I did a lot of amendments for things I had. There's that one, and like I said, there's like one or two makes, scrap busting kind of things on the channel. I will link those to you guys. This dress I'm wearing is not me made, but it's part of the amendments I was doing the whole year. Different locations today. I traveled, had to come see my folks and family and all that good stuff. So somehow I ended up not having a birthday dress. I have a Christmas dress that I technically haven't finished sewing, but I do have one. It's nice and glittery and it's got glitters and whatnot. So how is that going to look this year? Well, I have a Minerva fabric that I want to make for my birthday. I've gotten the pattern. I just need to learn how to make a concealed button stand, which I love. I feel they look so like they take your garment to another level. So I want to really learn how to make that, and I will take you guys along with me. We will both learn how to make button stands. Hopefully by the time I get back to Lagos, I should be working on that immediately, because I've noticed that since I sew very slowly, I need to give myself oodles of time to start these things. Okay. There's some things I'm still too ashamed to talk about, which are my fashion collections, which have I made anything from there? No, but there's a skirt I want to make from there. Hopefully I can get onto it. I'll show you guys the skirt. Hopefully, get in the comment section and keep me accountable for making that skirt, because the skirt looks so nice. What else? Pants. Yes, I still haven't gotten into making pants, and there's actually a reason for it. It's not like I just don't want to make them. So I feel like the rivets and denim, those shank buttons for denim that I got, I feel like they're for kids' clothes. Maybe somehow I'll show them to you guys so that you can see, and they don't feel substantial, So I don't want a situation whereby I make the pants with those and then they don't end up working out, or maybe I'm wearing them and they pop out or something like that. So I have been trying to find good alternatives. If you know where or anywhere on maybe Etsy, Instagram, anywhere I can buy like nice shank buttons for jeans and denim, and please just let me know, because that's about the only thing that is holding me. Okay, as for the sewing machines, I still haven't done a live for those, and honestly, lives are not my go-to. They're not my favorite things. I've only done one ever, so maybe I'll just record it and upload it like a normal video. I don't know, because yeah. Then, as they say on X, I'm trying to grow my X so that Elon Musk can start paying me, because this YouTube paying me is taking a while. So please, you guys, I will leave a link on on the screen and in the description for my X handle. Please guys, go follow me there. I think I'll also be posting the actual full videos on it, because X seems like the new place to post your videos on now. So we'll be doing that. But okay, last year we also talked about my new hobbies, which was plants. So I'm still on that. It's just I think I had a bad bug spread through them, and a lot of them are looking dry, but we have experienced what we call harmattan over here, which is just like the Sahara winds. So it's dry, it's very dry, and it's very dusty. We experienced those like about around the same times that people in the West experience their autumn and winter. So it's almost like the same things. The leaves dry and crumble and all that, but the plants don't take it so well. And as I've discovered about myself, I am a chronic underwaterer. Just things you find out about yourself as you take on new hobbies. Speaking of new hobbies, I have 2 more I have taken up, which is going to inform some of the sewing I'm going to be taking on in the new year. This year, I actually started last year. I started last year in August or September. I started tennis and I started swimming. And I know you can just be thinking to yourself, why don't you know how to swim? My excuse is that, first of all, I'm black. If you don't know what they say, I firmly subscribe to that stereotype. Then, as far as Nigeria goes, I live in I'm from a landlocked area, right? So for us over here, swimming is not that big of a deal, unlike people who are from coastal areas or riverine areas. Swimming is like it's like breathing to them, but for us it's not, right? So, and I never learned growing up. My mom, she's from a landlocked area as well. We're not big on swimming, so it's not something she pushed much for us growing up. But just something I just thought, something good to take on, and it's a great way to make your brain elastic. You learn new things. The more new things you learn, the easier it is for you to break old habits, get new habits, adapt, and all that good stuff. So speaking of, I will show you guys my tennis racket, and I just got some new tennis shoes, the Adidas Barricade 23. I love them, even though they're the only tennis shoes I've ever played with, but they feel so substantial on the feet. Like, they feel like, guys, do not play with your running shoes. I promise you, like, you're going to twist your ankle, break something, damage something for life. Tennis shoes are so different because they give you forward protection and lateral protection, okay? And I play with Babylot's Drive, okay? But someone just handed me the racket. In Nigeria, unfortunately, we don't have these rackets companies in here, selling us actual rackets. So someone just handed it to me. I don't know if it's a racket that I would like to play with. I don't know if there are rackets out there that I prefer to play with. But maybe sometime in the year, who knows, I will find maybe I'll start a racket journey and actually find one. Then swimming, I'm also doing that. I'll show you guys some pictures of me. Well, all that to say, I feel like this year I'm really going to go into athletic wear sewing. I've been on Minerva. I keep on telling you guys about it. I'll leave a link to their site. They have absolutely great fabrics, and I'm a Minerva ambassador, so we get we get free samples sent to us in exchange for a blog post. So, and usually on there they have, you know, athletic fabrics, you know, which normally I skip, but now I'm like looking at that. I've already been searching and they seem nice, so I will give that a twirl. And yeah, so I'll try to make nice tennis skirts and some swimsuits. Even now, like even before I get the fabrics, I was thinking of going to the market, you know, like going in, what they call that thing, thrifting, and getting some of all those like men's jerseys, the big ones, you know, like really oversized ones, and see if I can make a tennis skirt from it. You know, I feel like that will get me going, find out what styles of tennis skirts I like, but they all look nice, but it would be nice to start from there before I actually get the fabric from Minerva. So that's about it, guys. It's not going to be a long video. I hope I get to sew more this year. I really do hope. I don't know about you guys. How are you guys doing? How is the new year treating you guys? I know the world is in such disarray. There's wars breaking out and all that, but yeah, let's hope that, you know, in our own little way, you know, making life a little bit easier for the next person, we spread the love and the joys that we need to heal the world, basically, because it seems to be, I mean, the ending of last year just seemed to be so chaotic, and it's not what we're about. And do you like my hair? But it's going to come down because I've had it in for months now. It's coming down as soon as I'm done shooting this video. So yes, guys, thank you for sticking with me through all this. And yeah, I don't think I'm doing Vlogmas. Like I said, vlogging is not really me. And I don't like, you know, I'm such a normal person with a normal life. I don't go anywhere, so I don't even know what vlogmassing would look like if I were going to do it. And I don't know, maybe Me Made Me, maybe I would consider partaking in Me Made Me this year. Fingers crossed, because I do miss it. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. Please do help me grow my channel on X. It's the same thing, Chi Naija on there, you know. So yeah, like I said, I have a tutorial for a top I made last year, but I haven't posted it, so I'll probably post it after this video. I don't know that I will do a 2023 makes video, because like I said, I didn't make much at all, but I'll see. But definitely the tutorial video will be next up. I've been editing it and all that good stuff. But yeah, happy new year to you and yours, and I'll see you guys in the next video.